welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another new video. So guys, it has been long, it has been so long, but I'm back. Today I just want to give an update that this particular app known as Sound.me still works and you can still withdraw your earnings. I'm just going to share with you a withdrawal that I made yesterday, and it was sent today in the morning. Though they say when you withdraw, they'll tell you like it might take maybe 3 to 7 business days, but it took only, I think, hours, or I should say maybe 12 hours or so. It didn't take even 24 hours. So you can withdraw as little as $5. I think that was my 7th withdrawal on this app since I joined. I think that was 2022. Yeah, so guys, I've talked about this particular app several times on my channel. If you've been watching my videos, I guess you come through the video talking about this Sound.me, whereby you just use people's musics on TikTok or YouTube, then they'll be paying you so you can you have to have 1,000 followers and above for you to start getting more campaigns like with a high amount. You can withdraw as many as you want in a day, so long as it's above $5 or $5 and above. We have different campaigns, so you have to apply, like you have to wait for approval. I think I have some which have been approved, and let me see which ones have been approved. Oh, they are all taken. Oh my god. So first come first serve. So the ones which were approved, I was supposed to create a video using the music, have been taken like with other people, because there are many people participating. So if you see a campaign, make sure you grab it immediately. You see it, then after you posted it, it will come here. So if you don't know how to do it, you better go watch that video about how to perform tasks on or campaigns on Sound.me. I'm gonna tag the video so you'll be able to watch if you're new or this is the first time you're coming across the kind of video like talking about Sound.me. Okay, so the major way of earning here is just you use people's videos on your TikTok account mostly, or even YouTube, to make money. Okay, they'll pay you for the views. So if you have a big number of followers on TikTok, then you can even make up to $100 per video. So it's possible. You can see the ones which have been you can see declined, everything. You can see number of views you got according to what you are told. You see the declined, the not declined. Yeah, so let me show you my balance right now. Let me share with you my balance. So guys, yeah, I've been lost, but I'm back again. I'm gonna provide, you can see my badge is verified. You can see you're all set. Your audience insights have been successfully reviewed. You can see guys what I've earned. Is okay, they have done okay. There are earnings that are withdrew from this app which are not updated to the latest app. There was app that you were using before this one was updated, like before this app, the same app, but before they brought this particular one. So they didn't add it here. You can see even the withdrawal, they never added them. So this one I did it yesterday. Yesterday was 16th of November yesterday. So I did the withdrawal and it was sent to my account this morning. You can see my balance. So once you eat $5, this place written get paid will turn red. Then you'll be able to click it. You can withdraw through Stripe. If you have a Stripe account, is it Stripe or Stripe account, or PayPal? So you can use the two. So those people they don't have PayPal in their countries, they can use a Stripe account. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me show you my withdrawal approval that was sent yesterday. Okay, so guys, you can see on my account it was sent around 3 a.m. that is East Africa time. Yeah, they sent it at 5.4 cents US dollar. So you can see it was sent. Okay, money received. So it is real. you can do this too. I use my PayPal because I have PayPal account. You can see sound.me. I don't know if you guys can see sound.me payment right here. Okay, so it's real, it works. So you too, you can do it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video.